Real quickly before we begin, I want to thank this video's sponsor, CarMarshal.com. CarMarshal.com can save you lots of money on buying used or new vehicles, cars, trucks, school buses. If you want to save money, I'll have a link in the description down below. I know I'm going to...
How's it going, Cody?
Shitty.
Yeah, good.
Good. You want to grab the leash, or is it still in the car?
So, bud, the deal is, Capuchin's gonna have to go to the...
Huh? Not right now.
It's gonna have to go to a sanctuary here temporarily until we can figure out if you can get your licensing stuff squared away and if you can get it back.
I've already applied for that.
Have you applied for it? Okay, that's definitely helpful. The place is here in Tarpon Springs where it's going to go. So it's called Suncoast Primate Sanctuary.
Can I get a card with it on the back?
Yeah, I'm going to get you a copy of the property receipt. So before we take anything from anybody, we give them the property receipt. I have a little dog carrier. I keep them in the AC in my truck. Oh, really? Where'd you get it from?
South Carolina.
South Carolina?
Yeah.
And was that a, do you know, was it like a dealer or was it a friend?
It was a breeder.
Breeder? Okay.
It was, there's no licensing, no permits there.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
then I moved back home and there was an issue, so
Right.
I've already applied and everything. I had them for 3 years in South Carolina at the time. They're sitting there. Some of my hours didn't match up, I guess. I don't know. It was pretty stupid.
Well, if you got something in the system, that'll look good because, you know, that the having class 3 in Florida is another misdemeanor charge. So hopefully...
Charge right now?
You're not getting charged right now, but I'll probably meet you at the jail if I have to do some additional paperwork. Okay? Our investigations takes care of that usually, but he's not here now. I'm trying to not keep getting back in his car all day. You know? Yeah, I know. I know. It's a long day, though. You want to come back to the back of this car? To the back of my truck? Was it a male or female anyway?
Back of the truck or?
No, I'll put him in the front seat. I just put the cage back here. Is it a male or female?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Monk.
Monk? Alright, I'll let them know there. So, you're going to get a copy of this. This just shows the Suncoast Primate Sanctuary. I'll print out their information on the website.
Is there any way to maybe move him to the, will he sit on the bed? All right. Will he just go with the leash, or? All right, do you want to try and then I'll uncuff you and we'll let you.
Are you going to kick off?
That's fine.
I was on the talk to him before you go, bro.
That.
I was on the talk to you before you go.
Yeah, I have nothing to say.
Why do you think I stole your car?
You did.
Okay.
Hold on. All right, I'm gonna keep this one, but you can.
All right, bud.
Do your paperwork and say your goodbyes and.
Hopefully you'll be able to get it all squared away, man. You'll be able to get it back. Just give me temporary. So this is where you're going to sign. It just says that it's going to be retained for not for evidentiary value. And you sign and print here. After 90 days. That's just the standard wait period that you should take 90 days to get this stuff squared away. Because you just sign. It's pretty cool. Oh, and do you have a contact number? Now, one of these copies can go to you, and one of them's going to go to the sheriff's office, so it's just the same exact thing. This side. Calm down, brother. That's it.
Yeah, so that's fun. Alright, you want to say your goodbyes? For now? Like I say, he's only going to the sanctuary for temporary.
Just gotta give the carrier an outlet. What's up, buddy? Right?
Yes.
Hey. This is Mike.
Yes.
Yeah, we're all good here. We're getting him in the carrier right now. He's been pretty friendly. No issues so far. So, and I got the property receipt signed, and he's our swag here.
You can just leave the diaper there. Just put your hands together and like, no, palm to palm. There you go.
Hey Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County Copwatch, and I just wanted you to know that I am using this stuff under fair use. And also remember to like and subscribe this channel. Also too, keep in mind I do not make any money on YouTube. This is 5 hours work a day, you know, fighting for freedom. And you can donate with PayPal and Patreon. I just want you to think about this. If everybody gives to PayPal and Patreon, Patreon is every month. Actually, PayPal you can do every month. I have 12,000 subscribers. If everybody gives, I can quit my regular job and go full-time investigations on Charlotte County and possibly even more and beyond. So just keep that in mind. If everybody helps out, I can go full-time doing this. Thanks.